Hi, y'all. Welcome to Terry's Model Rod Shop. My name is Terry, obviously, and I've been building model cars for 30 plus years, and I build a little bit of everything from model trucks, big rigs, to street rods, pickup trucks, show rods, race cars, muscle cars, and I might even build the occasional snap kit. Depends on just what mood I'm in, and follow along in my channel as I build models or do tips or tricks, and follow and make sure that you go to my blog marriedwithhobbies.com. We're also on Instagram and Pinterest, and check out my Model Car Club's Facebook page, Scale Automotive Builder Society, for more tips and tricks and ideas and some nice pictures and some cool models. Thanks.